Hi guys! So today we're going to talk about the VIPKID application process, the whole hiring process from start to finish. The VIPKID hiring process can be a bit long and it has a few steps, so this video is just to help guide you through that process. So the first thing that's going to happen is you'll fill out a written application, then you'll do an interview demo class, you'll do a certification or a mock class, you'll fill out your documents and take a in-house TEFL course if you don't already have one. And finally, you'll set up your profile, your video, and start teaching. So we're going to talk through each of those. Let's get started. The very first thing you'll do is fill out the written application form. You can find that by clicking the link below, and this is a really simple, just kind of check to see if you have the basic requirements type of application. You aren't going to need a CV or a resume. You'll just go through and answer the questions in the form. You'll also have to make a email and password that you'll use to log into the teacher platform in the future. The requirements to be a VIPKID teacher are that you must be a native English speaker, you must be eligible to work in the USA or Canada, you must have a bachelor's degree or higher and 1 year of experience working with kids in some way. And I actually have another video that goes more in depth about each of these requirements and has some alternative companies if you don't meet these specific requirements. So you can find that below as well. This is also the point in the application where you can put in the name of a teacher who referred you. So if you'd like to use my code is NICOL0117, and that would be awesome. Thanks. So once you've filled out your application, you've hit send, you should hear back very soon via email about a time to schedule an interview if you meet all the basic requirements. So you'll be able to access the teacher portal, which will give you options to schedule your interview. Right now, you have 4 options for your interview demo class, and you will hear me use the words interview and demo class interchangeably because these are referring to the same step in the process. So right now, you can choose between either scheduling a live interview with an employee in China, where they will pretend to be a 5-year-old student and you'll teach them the lesson. You can choose to do a recorded interview where you will record yourself teaching that lesson and pretend that you're listening to a student respond. There is a new Smart Demo option, which is a much faster option that you can do where you only upload a short teaching sample and I believe you take a quiz. And finally, there are the live coaching days, which are a great option if you live near a city that offers them. And these live coaching days are a chance for you to go in person and meet with people from VIPKID and practice and get to know people. And then when you're done, you get to move straight forward to the next phase, certification. And I do want to mention, with the interview step, once you pass this portion, you can't really fail the application process. So from this point on, you have been accepted. You're just finishing the training that you need before you can actually start teaching, which is really nice because it gives you time to process the information, practice as much as you need in the certification center, and really get confident before you have your first class. For step 3, you'll move into certification. This means that you will choose whether you want to work with beginner students or older, more advanced students. What you'll be able to do in the teacher portal is see materials for both beginner lessons and intermediate lessons. You'll choose which one you're more interested in teaching, and each level comes with 2 lessons you'll need to prepare for your mock class. You'll prepare both of these lessons, and when you're ready, you'll schedule a time to have a mock class kind of practice session with an existing VIPKID teacher who's called a mock class mentor. So this person will kind of workshop the lesson with you. You'll teach it to them and they will give you feedback. For most people, it takes a few attempts to pass the mock class, and that's kind of a good thing because it means you're getting more practice before you get your first student. So don't worry if you don't pass it right away on your first time. You might have to take it 2 or 3 times, but then you'll be even more prepared when you do get that first student. Alright, we're almost done. After passing the mock class, you will upload all your required documents into VIPKID. So this could be a copy of your degree, copy of any teaching qualifications you have. This will also be where you upload consent for your background check, and other documents like that. If you don't have a TEFL certification, that is okay. It's not required to apply. But at this stage, if you don't have a TEFL certification or a teaching degree, you will be taken to an additional module, which is a in-house TEFL training for VIPKID teachers. And you'll complete this while you're waiting for your documents to be uploaded to give you a little extra training. You can also add on additional certification levels at this time if you want. So if you want to teach both beginner and intermediate students or really advanced students, go for it. You can add on more certifications. This will give you an even bigger pool of students who can pick you when your schedule goes live. So that's a great thing. Once all your paperwork has been approved and uploaded, you'll be able to write your bio, upload pictures of yourself, and record your introductory video. And then once all that is good to go, you'll be able to open your schedule and actually teach your first class. So congratulations, you're all done with the application process. So just to review, you'll do the written application, then you'll do the interview/demo class, you'll do the mock class, certification step, you'll upload all your documents and take the in-house TEFL training if required, and finally you will be ready to teach your first class and open up your schedule. So I know this is a lot to take in. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. My email address is down below. I also write a blog about teaching with VIPKID, focusing on VIPKID and travel. So there's a link to that as well. If you found this video helpful and don't have anyone helping you with your VIPKID application yet, feel free to use my referral code. That's NICOL 0117. I don't know where the picture will be. But this will tell VIPKID that I sent you, and if you do that, send me an email and let me know so I can help you out along the way and answer any questions you have. So yeah, again, look below for more resources for this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye!